Hi y'all, today we are at Health Haven in Newport News, Virginia. Shenanigans Hair Tea is located inside of the natural food store. You can come, stop by, get your natural hair and beard care products. We have our Glow and Grow Butter. If you cannot make it to Health Haven, we are located in 5 different stores in the Hampton Roads area. One more is coming soon. I hope to see y'all. Peace.
2024, I stepped out of my comfort zone. I started going door to door, pitching my products to different stores, locally mom and pop shops, to see if they will host my products in their store. We will not be going into big box stores, and I will be telling you why. Yep, so they can do the black or the blue, like silver or the red.
That one,
the blue one?
I like that.
Well, it's here now. You can take it home.
You got the pink and green.
Yep, I got the pink and green. Are you an AKA?
My daughter is.
Your daughter is? Okay. So the reason I decided on local mom and pop shops instead of big box stores is because I plan to continue to batch size our products, and I don't plan to mass produce where I'm making thousands and thousands of products at one time, because I would love to control the quality of my products and to ensure that my customers are still getting that great product that they once received. I don't want to be switching it up on them. Also, we are more so a pop-up company, so we'll be popping up. The goal is to have consultants in every state. So if you are interested and you're watching this video right now and you want to become a hair care consultant, all you have to do is send us an email. Our email is in the description box. After restocking Health Haven, we headed over to the warehouse. We had a lot of work that needed to be done. We do so many pop-up events throughout the year, and it's been a very busy year for us. So we also have to regroup, recuperate everything, go through our inventory, count everything, label products if we have new products that I just restocked. We just really be getting to it, and I am so proud of my team. I have 2 high schoolers who have been going strong with us this year, and they are, last year, 2025, and they are still with us in 2026, and I just pray over them, and I hope that they achieve all their dreams as well, and I appreciate them for taking the time out of their day and their season to put energy and time into Shenanigans Hair Tea. God, I thank you for sending them my way. And I pray that we have more applicants this year. We are still hiring. So I told you all that we're hiring hair care consultants. We are hiring sales associates. We're also hiring warehouse support and production committee as well, because it is pretty busy. Yeah, it's a lot to keep up with. Usually I'm used to keeping up with it one person. Y'all, oh my God, just thinking about it. Like, I did not used to be so soaked in my business the way I'm soaked in it now. Like, I remember having more free time than what I have now. Like, I be begging for free time. And I be having days where I'm so locked in on the work, and I really want to stop working, but I can't, because it's like, if you can't, you're going to get behind. And right now I still feel behind because we have so many projects that we're working on and they need to be completed. And I am the team lead. Anyways, y'all, it's been a great journey. So just organize this warehouse with us. We are prepping just to get right. Stay tuned for more, because the warehouse looks totally different. This is the 2025 version. I'm probably going to clip the 2026 version to the end of this video, so make sure you stay to the end.
Okay, since what I'm doing is easy, I'm gonna let y'all do it, and I'm gonna move to something hard.
When we get into the warehouse, I feel like time be flying, because I swear, when I look at the clock, I be like, oh my God, we gotta hurry up. Now we gotta pack everything up, because we didn't finish everything during like our time span that we were supposed to work, but we get a lot done still. But for me, I be like, I want to knock it out in one day. Like, I just be wishing I could do everything that moment. That's the impatience though. Anyways, if you love natural hair and beard care products and you have not tried Shenanigans Hair Tea, I feel like you should go on our website, Scroll through the bonnets, stroll through the pillowcases, stroll through the hair oils, maybe pick you up some brown sugar butter or some leave-in conditioner. I know that you'll fall in love with the product. I just hope that you can give it a chance and support a small-owned company and support my team members as well, because your support supports their payroll and supports the company as well. Additionally, find us at a pop-up shop. And if you are looking for a part-time flexible position, being your own entrepreneur, entrepreneur. Hold on, let me get that right. An entrepreneur. Fill out that email in my description box and I'll get back with you soon. I hope y'all have a fabulous day and come back for the next video. Before transformation, working on this warehouse. Day one. Hopefully I could get a lot done in one day, but I'm gonna take a bathroom break. Ugh. All right.
We did it. Of course, I gotta come back, do some, major stuff, but I'm just glad that it's clean and it's organized. We'll get to the rest later. Peace.